Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Skylar Petrie, and I'll be going over with you all the sponsors of the Liverpool Reds Football Club. The first and main one as their primary sponsor, the one that appears on their shirt, is Standard Charter. They're the official mail partner. Their logo has been in front on Liverpool's red kits over the last decade and has recently had an extension for 5 years, giving an increase of 13 million. The estimated deal right now is about 40 million GBP. The second biggest deal is the one they have with Nike as their official kit supplier. And in recent estimations, the deal was worth estimated 39.5 million each year for their deal. And now with the Liverpool Reds being in the Big Six, they have a bevy of other sponsors, and here's some of their smaller ones compared to their other two. The first one on the top left, we have AXA, which partnered with Liverpool in 2019, and it involves their logo appearing on their training gear and pre-match exercise kits. To the middle, they have Carlsberg, which actually holds the longest partnership when it comes to sponsorship deals in the whole uh, Premier League. It has been since extended to a 2024 deal with the Liverpool Reds. Mauritis has partnered with Liverpool, the organization on the top right, and has recently had a 3-year agreement, which is to help increase the tourism for Africa as Liverpool would become more apparent there. MG Motor has a deal with Liverpool as well. They have plenty of their brands surrounded Anfield, and they have as well as image rights to first team players, and they also have merchandise representation of their club. In the middle, we have Holly Frontier, which made a deal to be the official oil and lubricant partner. And on the bottom right, we have Tribus, which has a deal with Liverpool to be the official wristwatch of the program. On the top level, we got EA Sports, which is critical in a lot of their deals with the annual FIFA games that come out each year. It allows them to have their likeness spread out there. Um, Corn in the middle is another one that's partnered with Liverpool, which focuses on vegan and vegetarian choice meals that they allow players to have access to on competition days. On the top right, we have Cadbury, which is the official chocolate partner of Liverpool, and it also is in support of their virtual employability program since the COVID-19 pandemic has started. In the middle left, we have Acronis, which has made a deal to be the official global cyber backup and storage partner of the program. In the middle, we got Vodafone, which has a deal that offers online connectivity to low-income households in Liverpool. In the middle right, we have NH Foods, which is actually a company that's in Japan and has signed recently a 3-year deal with Liverpool to get more exposure in their media outlets and also provides food not just to the team but also to um, their community program called Red Neighbors, where they give food donations to people who need a little more food in their area. UGIS is another Liverpool sponsor with the Go initiative to have their food digester machines that deals with all their waste to dispose that in a more green way. Joey is another sponsor that focuses primarily on planning family-oriented activities outside of competitions or on competition days that are more family-centered. Rudy Costa is a partner that's actually based in China, and they get access to spreading the Liverpool image and likeness over in that country to expand their fan base. On top level, we have Mintel, which is Liverpool's communication connections for fans to follow Liverpool swiftly on social media and other things of that nature. On the top right, we have Levi's, which is the official denim partner of Liverpool. We have Alex Bank, which is an Egyptian bank program that um, comes out with club theme cards, as you can see on the bottom right, and the club also provides the company tickets to many other games. Middle we have Extra Joss, which is a shake company that provides those type of things for the team to consume pre and post competition. Finally, Verbier, which has a 4-year deal with Liverpool and is their official alpine tourist spot in Switzerland. Thank you for watching. You can find more information on these references below.